I was at third, and as soon as that ball was in there, I was just going. I wasn't even going to look back or anything. So I was like, if they catch it, we just got to take care of business. But, she dropped it, and I was already home, and then
Hey folks, Mr. Bowtie here. Keep banging home that red subscribe button on your screen so that way you can stay up to date on all the great local sports coverage that TV and radio refuse to cover. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.